The Kenmore Triple Action Agitator Top Load Washer stands out as an efficient and versatile laundry appliance, offering a range of features for customized cleaning. With a generous 3.8 cu. foot capacity, this top load washer can effortlessly handle substantial loads, cleaning up to 17 towels in a single cycle. The stainless steel tub not only resists odors, but also ensures that fabrics won't snag or pull during washing, maintaining their quality over time and looking great even after multiple washes. The Triple Action Agitator is a key highlight, employing a combination of spray jets, wash basket motion, and agitator action to clean in every direction. This powerful mechanism efficiently tackles ground in dirt and tough stains, ensuring a thorough and effective cleaning process. Customized cleaning options are a hallmark of this washer, with 12 wash cycles that cater to a variety of fabrics and items, from delicates to towels. Multiple wash temperatures further enhance the customization, allowing users to tailor each load for the right type of cleaning. Efficiency and flexibility are prioritized, with each load using just the right amount of water. The deep fill option provides the flexibility to increase the water level for larger loads, ensuring optimal washing performance. Additionally, the inclusion of bleach and fabric dispensers maximizes convenience during the laundry process. Measuring at 27.5-inch WX27D x 44H, top of cabinet, and 59H when the lid is open, this top load washer is designed for convenience and pairs seamlessly with the Kenmore 62332 electric dryer, or Kenmore 72332 gas dryer, sold separately for a complete and cohesive laundry set. In summary, the Kenmore Triple Action Agitator Top Load Washer offers a spacious and efficient laundry solution with customizable cleaning options, making it an excellent choice for those seeking reliable and versatile washing capabilities.